Don't you want to grow your business? Well, who doesn't? But the real problem is it's hard to grow your business and market it unless you have a big marketing budget, right? That's a bunch of bullshit. You don't need money to market your business. Hi everyone, my name is Daulat. I am a data analysis and content producer at Get Support. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you that how you can market your business without money. You have no money for advertisement, for marketing? Don't worry. Watch this video till the end and I will show you that how you can market your business without money. Trust me, it's worked for many of my clients and it will work for your business as well. The most beautiful thing about the social web is absolutely free. It doesn't cost you a single penny to be on them. So why don't you utilize the social media channel to grow your business? The second and the most amazing thing about the social web is you can create content in different formats. You can create in the video form, text form, audio form, and even you can create a particular podcast for your business where you are explaining about your business which help you to grow. Pick any of these three content types and push across all the social media channel that will help you to drive traffic to your website, and ultimately it's going to get conversion. Think in this way. Suppose you have a website and you don't have money to market your website, then what are you going to do? You have to use the same tactics. You have to find that which type of content interests the most of your users and start putting across all the social web, and that will help you to drive traffic back to your website. So here I have the first tactic for you. Use Cora to leverage your website traffic and convert them into your potential buyer. How you gonna do that? Let me show you that how you can drive a lot of traffic to your website through Cora. First, go to Cora, type all the questions which people are asking you within your industry. You will find a bunch of questions on Cora. Pick those questions which has a very high upvotes and answer those questions one by one. And at the bottom of every answer you give, provide your website link. By answering all those questions on Cora, what will happen? You are helping the people. The more answer you will get, the more help they will get, and they will start noticing you. They will know you, that who you are and what kind of service you provide, and that will help you to drive traffic back to your website. Really, it's that simple. You have to do this on a consistent way, and that will help you to give a lot of traffic. If you go to our Cora page, you will find that we have answered a lot of questions for your clients, and that helping them to drive a lot of traffic to their website. If you see the analytics of our Cora page, you will find that every month we are getting 40 to 30,000 traffic to our website through Cora only. So the best way to use and drive traffic to your website, start leveraging Cora more. Engage more with Cora, drive traffic to their website, and ultimately you will get the benefit when the people will read the answer and you have provided those link. What will happen that you will getting view and limelight, and that ultimately drive traffic back to your website. And the best part of Cora is I don't have to spend a single penny for driving those traffic. And the second thing you need to do is start posting content on social platform. Suppose you have written an article on your website and you want to drive traffic, share on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. What will happen? The people will read and they will come to your website. That's the easiest way to drive traffic back to your web. The possibilities are endless. Continuously share your content across all the social media platforms. How we leverage LinkedIn for traffic? First, we write a big form article on our blog post and we add 3 or 4 paragraphs of the same article on our LinkedIn profile, and at the bottom we said that to read the entire articles, click here, and that way we are able to generate traffic for our website. We also put snippet on Twitter because it's only allow 140 characters, not more than that. So what we does, we put a snippet on Twitter and give a little bit hint that what the post is about, and in that way again we leveraging our website with more traffic, and we got extra content to post on the social side in different format. Make sure that you have to keep texting different types of content format. Share your content across all the social media in different format and leverage your website traffic. That's simple. You have to know that how you have to do. These are things very simple, and keep doing and keep sharing your articles and information on the social web which talk about you. In that way you will leveraging your business. People are knowing that what kind of service you are providing, and ultimately you will get the traffic and limelight. So these are the things you have to focus more. These are the endless possibility you have for your business, which can drive a lot of traffic. Go to Cora, answer those questions which people are asking within your industry. Go on Twitter, search for those people who are interested in your industries and just answer them. That will help you to drive traffic to your website. Thanks for watching. I hope these 3 tips will help you to grow your traffic to your website. If you have anything more to know about this marketing strategy, please visit our website or write a comment below with your question and we try to answer your questions. I hope we will meet in the next video, but till now, bye.